Gauge right back, the open racing, one throughout Sulong Pinoy. It's now Arbin to go, moving up Oroketa, Tensile Strength now for the outside, the Rock and Sulong Pinoy is running in the tail of the field. Passing the winning post, Tensile Strength for the outside, takes up the running line, followed by Arbin to go. 2 lengths back is Oroketa, 5 to 6 lengths, the Rock alongside now Sulong Pinoy. Out of straight they travel. It's still Arbin to go. Takes up the running by a neck. And moving up once again, Tensile Strength regains the leader. And into the back they travel. Tensile Strength for the outside leads by flank, followed by Arbin to go. 6 lengths away Oroketa. 4 lengths back Sulong Pinoy and the Rock. Nearing the last 600. It is still Tensile Strength leads by some 2 lengths now, followed by Arbin to go. And running now in third by some 5 lengths, Sulong Pinoy, Oroketa, and the Rock. Inside the last 400 is still Tensile Strength. Leads by some 5 lengths, Arbin to go. Sulong Pinoy now for the outside as they hit the final third. With Tensile Strength by some 3 lengths, followed by Sulong Pinoy and the Rock on the outside, but still Tensile Strength, followed by Sulong Pinoy and the Rock, and finally Tensile Strength, the Rock, Sulong Pinoy, Arbin Dugo, and Oroketa.
Gano'n na nga ang ginawang discard ni Val Dilema kay Tensile Strength. Antemano, inagapayan na si